Welcome guys. So today you'll be seeing my personal space, my personal organization and productivity. I'll be giving you a room tour or a desk tour, and in it you'll be seeing basically what I do on a day-to-day basis to organize my space, organize my time, and to be more productive, and how I actually set goals and execute them on a day-to-day or weekly or even monthly basis. This is my weekly planner. As you can see, there are the different days of the week, and I'll be writing out my tuition assignments on it. So the different students' names, the timings, and probably even the venues. This is like a magnetic to-do list or some of the places where they have metal surfaces. So this is a good reminder to yourself as to what are the goals and day-to-day activities that you would like to achieve and accomplish. Next up, we have this one, a punching machine, a puncher that will help me punch hole all my worksheets, handouts, and notes that I bring hard copies with me for each of my lessons. So I think this is very handy because it helps me keep a filing system and maintain everything in hard copy format. Next up, we have got this book. This is a guidebook that I often refer to in my free time. This is called 100 Plus Ideas for Teaching English by Angelia Cruz. So this is a great book for English language or even any language teachers and learners as well out there who would like to learn or teach in a very innovative, inventive and creative ways. And I think it's quite a lifesaver for me on days that I've really run out of ideas on how to teach, what to teach when it comes to English language or literature. And then next up, we are onto this one. This is like a pencil case. I like to carry it with me wherever I go, just to keep inside it a couple of pens, pencils, and red pens especially. And this is a very classy way because some of the pencil cases, according to me, they look really kiddish and not really suitable for an adult. And then next up, let's go to this calculator that I got. So basically, this calculator, it helps me to keep track of my earnings. Next up, we've got some pens. So these are black pens and blue pens, blue ink and blank ink. And then I've got some more pens in different classic colors here. And then next up, we've got this notebook that I've got here. There's just something wonderful about writing things down because for me, at least personally, it helps me get things done. And I even write down the deadlines for each one of the tasks in my to-do list. There's something about putting pen to paper that is just manifests itself into a reality for me. And last but not the least, I've got these nice stationery like markers and colorful, whiteboard markers as well as permanent markers. Some of these are, and some highlighters as well. So basically, these help me, highlight some important reminders, important facts, figures, and statistics, or some important points basically that I would like to highlight to my students. This is my personal organizer. So basically, what I've got here is all the things that you need to carry with you when you travel: your keys, your pen, some coins for change, your lipstick, you can even keep your phone here, and some cards. This is like a pencil case, and it helps me to organize not only my stationery but sometimes my makeup products also. These are notebooks that I actually use for my attendance logbook for my students to sign for each tuition, so that there's proof of me having conducted each lesson, be it whether it's an online lesson or face-to-face lesson. This is once again another case, another pouch, so you can keep either your cosmetics or your stationery in this one. By the way, I might be mentioning a lot of these KKK items, but I'm actually not being paid, and this is not a paid membership or promotion offer of any. I'm not basically affiliated to KKK at all. It's just that I love their stationery and I've gotten most of their items. Last but not the least, I've got this cable case because when I travel to students' houses, sometimes I have a long day, especially on weekends, and I tend to run out of battery for my phone and I need to charge it on the go. So my cable case is there with all the wiring and everything neatly tidied up. What I've got here is a 2022 journal. It's like a weekly diary of sorts. So basically, I get to record what are my thoughts, what are my schedules, and what are my meetings on a day-to-day basis, weekly basis. And then I've got like a diary. This one looks very nice to be carrying around, and I particularly like the gold and black and white detailing. So this one helps me keep track of students' addresses, the projects, the tuition projects that I've got, and my to-do list. It also has a work-related section and inspiration section so that I keep my work-life balance separate. And then last but not the least, I've got this 10-year plan. All my goals I've listed at one place, and it's basically like a journal. It's more of self-improvement, self-development, and it helps me reach my goals with a particular deadline in mind. Alright, so now that we have come to the end of the video, I hope you actually enjoyed viewing it and learned a thing or two about how to organize your personal space as well as your professional life. Stay tuned for more such videos, and remember to subscribe to my channel. See you guys.